psoriasis, and he's been suffering for the past 8 years. And he was under Homeo, Allo, and Ayurvedic medicines for the past 8 years. And he's been seen by nearly 8 homeopathic doctors, and I'm the last one. So, male patient aged about 45 years, suffering with psoriasis, so and so. I asked, tell me all your complaints. I'm having psoriasis since 2013, having patches on head, on leg and back, and nail changes are also there. Used Ayurvedic medicines and Homeo medicines, but nothing much improvement. Some gastric problems are also there, and he got operated for sebum gland operation. Was done on his foot. Next one. And there are some family issues. My parents are not well. I was in depressive state because of head injury. I feel anxious about home that something may happen to them. I can tolerate cold weather. It's not a problem. No BP and diabetes matters. And he took nearly 20 minutes for all these complaints to narrate. And his pace was very, very slow. If any incidents happen, I worry a lot. I feel a lot. If I do any mistakes, I recall them and I feel a lot. My digestion is little low. I paint on purpose if I am not in a good mood. For another hobby, he said, I easily get angry. My hand should be on the top, either at home or at school. Sir, next step. So what bothers you the most? The common question which I asked. I feel too much of anxiety. My mother, father, sister are not well, and cousins too. If I recall all these, I feel some trouble inside me. And I doubt that will these complaints get relieved or not. And then I ask, what if they are not well? My love and affections are more on them. So next one. I didn't get you. Tell me in detail. Then I ask this. I feel sad and anxious. I fear that something may happen to them. And I pray that nothing should happen to them. And I always think why these things happen only to me. I feel that they are moving away from me. So next. Moving away means I feel that does anything takes place to my family, I always feel that why my family is not being happy. If I do feel ill and sick, what will be the situation? Then I ask, something takes place means I feel they may die. I feel that anything may take place to my family. I'm in the fast pace, but patient narration was very, very slow. Next one, sir. If anything happens to me, what will be the situations of persons behind me? And since childhood, I'm lean, even that affects me. I feel that what other persons think about me because of this personality. Then I ask, what if anything takes place to your family? Next. There will be a loss to my family. I may lose any one of them. Because of this, I feel that others may comment on me. I feel that something may happen and people may make fun of me. So too much of anxious over the relations. So out of this, which one is affecting you? Maybe I'll get sick too. I feel that is there any illness inside me? What if it happens like that? It's fear of life, sir, which I need to depend on medicine. I love my kid. I think of his future. I always compare my life with others. So what out of this regarding my health, sir? What if I become ill health? I didn't get you. What it is? I feel that I may get long chronic diseases, like long process of diseases. To my mother, there is some heart issues, and for that they place some stents, which is called angioplasty. So next. I feel that same disease I may get, or I fear that any other disease may get to me. What if it happens like that? There will be a lot of financial troubles will be there, and some physical restlessness. I need to roam around because of that physical issues. And the next is my son's future. he will be in trouble and I may lose my life. What will happen to the persons dependent on me? The next one, sir. So what will happen to the person depending on you? Again, you were saying that my marriage to the boy who is depending on me, and then how will I lead my life? People will talk about us now. Some ex-person lead some good life and so on and so. So what people will talk about? People may look down at us regarding my job. People may look down at me, and I don't feel peace at my job. Looking down at me, people may avoid me. I feel that they may think about me, so I move away from them. Yeah, next one. Avoiding and looking down, how it will be? It's a great anguish inside me. Inside me, there will be a lot of great sadness, as if shrunk inside me. I feel to die rather than to live. How will be at that moment when people looks down at you? Inside me, there is a lot of hatredness. I want to sit separately from them, need to stay far away from them. So what is the experience at that moment in your so-and-so? I feel coldness of palms and soles, heavy breathing will be there, shivering of back, too much of sweat, as if no life inside me. There will be too much of burning and heat vapors coming out of me. So this comes the end of one area where I came to the conclusion of carbon. This one more polarity where we see usually weakness, dullness, no life. There is one more thing, the opposite polarity is burning. When we burn a coal, what it happens? It burns like the same thing said by patient 2. Then dreams. What are the frequent dreams do we get? Some dead persons here. They tell me in detail. Persons like relatives who are not alive comes into my dreams, and I sit closely to them and I speak. What will you speak? Just my emotions, sir. That's it. Then further, I didn't probe into the dream. Okay. What are the stress level? What are the stress you are having? So the loss of my relatives, sir. I can feel their loss, sir. What stress in that? The loss of my close one. What if family members are there? It's a great happiness. The love and care they shower on me is immense, and I reciprocate the same on them. I'll not feel orphaned or by their presence. A shortcut, this is how I done shortcut. So, what I have done? Analysis. In the chief area, the experience of no life with sweating all over the body, with too much of burning along with vapors inside me, him, made me think of carbon. This becomes the anion. The way he speaks along with repressions of his emotions and the feeling of being orphaned and the dreams of dead relatives. And sharing his emotions made me to think of magnesium. So I gave him magnesium carbonicum 201 dose. After 1 month, what happened? Eruptions on head increase, nothing yet, not getting good sleep. If I get up in the middle again, I need it takes 1 to 2 hours to get to sleep. I feel that something, but he said that there is something ease in my body. So for first month there is no any change. Second month, I feel much better. Now I take everything in a very easy manner. The loneliness inside me getting better, and I can feel active nowadays. I gave a cell in the follow for 4 months I have taken follow. Slight changes occurred on head and back, but legs remain the same. Energy and mind is better. Next. So mentally I am not better. Again, the next after 6 months of magnesium gut, not given any other medicines. Then he said that mentally I am not better. Feels lonely once again, and nowadays I feel much dullness in my body. Then I repeated in magnesium gut 0/6 twice a day for 15 days. And after 1 month, he said that I am feeling much better. I feel that a lot of my changes have been happened. All my anxieties got relieved. I can handle any situations at home. The way he presented the case is, even I got very emotionally attached with him. So much of dullness and so much of anxieties within him. Next, sir. So these are only small patches were there. Only on leg and right side of hand, only small patches were there. Before it was very heavy, it seems. After getting to my clinic, the eruptions on head were a little bit better, but they are increasing, it seems. I didn't take the photo on the head, only on the back and the photos were being taken. Next slide. Video follow. So after 3 months of treatment, I asked him, how are you feeling, so and so. Then he said, okay sir, not problem. After 8 months of
మీరు నాకు ట్రీట్మెంట్ ఇస్తున్నటువంటి స్కిన్ డిసీజ్ యాక్చువల్గా నాకు 2013లో స్టార్ట్ అయింది సార్. స్టార్ట్ అయినప్పుడు చాలా భయపడ్డాను. భయపడి రాజమండ్రి ఒక ఫేమస్ హాస్పిటల్కి వెళ్ళడం జరిగింది. అక్కడ నేను ఏదైతే భయపడ్డానో ఆయన మాట్లాడిన తర్వాత ఇంకా భయం వేసింది. అయినా
terrified of me because what he said was, you cannot get rid of this problem, so and so. Yeah.
ఆయన ఇచ్చినటువంటి మెడిసిన్ రెగ్యులర్గా 1 సంవత్సరం యూజ్ చేశాను. యూజ్ చేసినా నాకు క్యూర్ కనిపించలేదు సార్. పైగా అది ఇంప్రూవ్ అవ్వడం మొదలుపెట్టింది. మళ్ళీ అక్కడి నుంచి భయపడి మళ్ళీ హాస్పిటల్కి వెళ్ళాను. అక్కడ ఇన్సూరెన్స్గా 2 సంవత్సరాలు
the same thing happened Ayurvedic and Homeo. Many doctors were being changed, but I'm not getting better. No need, sir. Come to last. Then he said that unexpectedly I came to the church.
నా డిసీజ్ సంబంధించి క్యూర్ అవ్వడం మార్పుగానే భావించాను. ఎందుకంటే ఫస్ట్ స్టార్టింగ్లో అనిపించింది పెద్ద హాస్పిటల్ తగ్గలేదు, ఇది చిన్న హాస్పిటల్ తగ్గుతుందా అని అనుకుని అయినా ప్రయత్నం చేసి చూద్దాం. ఎందుకో నాకు ఇక్కడ క్యూర్ అవుతున్నటువంటి భావన. ఎందుకంటే నేను ఒక విలేవర్ని.
What he said, na? I went to many large hospitals and big hospitals, nothing had got cured. This is a small clinic, how can I enter and, okay, let me give a try, and then he came in. And this is the result, what he has got. Thank you Swara for giving this consulting opportunity. Thank you.